Every living thing, whether it's a tall tree, a bright flower, a cat, or even you, is made up of tiny building blocks called cells. Cells are like the smallest units of life, and each one is busy performing tasks that keep the organism alive. While plant cells and animal cells share many similarities, they also have some important differences that make each type of cell unique. Let's start by looking at what plant and animal cells have in common. Both types of cells have a nucleus, which acts like the control center. The nucleus stores genetic information and directs all the activities of the cell, just like a city hall manages a city. Surrounding the nucleus is the cytoplasm, a jelly-like substance where all the other parts of the cell float and work together. Every cell also has a cell membrane, which works like the city gates, carefully controlling what enters and leaves. Inside the cytoplasm, there are several important structures called organelles. The mitochondria are the power plants of the cell, producing energy that the cell needs to function. The ribosomes are the factories that produce proteins, which are essential for growth and repair. The endoplasmic reticulum, or UA, acts like a network of highways, moving materials and proteins to different parts of the cell. And the Golgi apparatus works like a post office, packaging and sending materials to their proper destinations. These organelles are found in both plant and animal cells, which is why they share many basic functions. Now let's explore what makes plant cells special. Plant cells have a cell wall, which is a strong, rigid layer surrounding the cell membrane. This wall gives the plant cell a box-like shape and provides support, helping plants stand upright. Another unique feature is chloroplasts, which contain a green pigment called chlorophyll. Chloroplasts act like solar panels, capturing sunlight and converting it into food through a process called photosynthesis. Plant cells also have one large central vacuole, which stores water, nutrients, and waste. This vacuole also helps maintain the shape of the cell, keeping the plant firm and upright. Animal cells, on the other hand, do not have a cell wall or chloroplasts. Instead, they have a flexible cell membrane, which allows them to change shape and move more easily. They also have many small vacuoles, rather than one large one. These differences allow animals to be mobile and actively seek food, while plants rely on sunlight and remain in one place. In summary, plant cells and animal cells share many common parts, such as the nucleus mitochondria, ribosomes Golgi, nucleus apparatus, cytoplasm, and cell membrane. But plant cells have additional structures, the cell wall, chloroplasts, and a large central vacuole that give them strength, allow them to make their own food, and store water. Understanding these similarities and differences helps us see how plants and animals live and survive in different ways, even though both are made of cells. So, the next time you see a tree, a flower, or even your pet, remember that inside them are millions of tiny busy cells, each performing its own tasks, making life possible. Plant cells are sturdy, solar-powered, and water-filled, while animal cells are flexible, mobile, and ready to adapt. Together, they form the foundation of all life on Earth.